Oh yeah, we decided we're going to Waipio Valley, right?
Yeah.
Palulu Valley is too far away.
Make a little bit more of a hike.
We got to get the rental car back by 11. It's already 6 a.m. So we're going to Palulu, or Waipio. Not Palulu. Palulu's too far. Waipio. Waipio ass.
And there you are off.
Waipio Valley. Made it to Waipio Valley Lookout. I took a little nap. I'm gonna get my shoes on. We're gonna go hike down and hike up. Starting the hike. Got Josh behind me. Waipio hike. Down we go. It's easy downhill. Let's see how it is going up. Made it down. Now to the beach. I've actually never been this way.
Right or left?
Shit, probably right. Because I saw a river. And I don't want to cross it. Road closed due to unsafe conditions. No camping allowed. We'll check it out anyways.
Probably just a suggestion.
Now we are at the bottom of Waipio Valley. About to walk out onto the beach. Didn't get much time to hang out. We gotta go back up, get the rental car back. Josh is a little bummed. He said he could have hung out here all day.
Pretty gorgeous spot. I'll tell you what, we're gonna come with a surfboard next time.
Yeah, come with a surfboard, something to cook on. Gonna chill here all day. Look at how much he has to lean over to get up this hill. It's straight. Don't start walking.
Man.
Yeah. It's steep going up. Steep, sweaty. Ah! Gotta push through it.
Feels good.
Feels good. Couldn't hike to a much better view though, holy fuck.
Yeah.
Very nice.